Hello foodies, today we're making this very delicious instant pot chicken tomato curry. First things first, at the program we press the saute button and wait for the word on. Now it's time to place the first ingredient, which is oil. Next is chopped onion. And then the minced garlic. And 2 tablespoons of curry powder. We saute for a few minutes. And after that, we go to the program and press the cancel button. Next, we add 400-gram can of diced tomatoes. And then 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. 2 chicken cubes. And 1/2 cup of water. And now we add chicken breasts seasoned with salt and pepper. Next is we secure the lid. And we will position the steam release to sealing position. Next, we go to the program and press the meat stew button and set the timer to 10 minutes. Pressure will build up in 10 minutes. And after the pressure has built up, display will count down. Now, we will do the quick steam release, but be very careful in doing this. And then we will wait till the valve drops. And now it's safe to open the lid. Next, we add 400-gram can of coconut milk. And around 2 teaspoons of salt. And at the program, we press the saute button and let it boil for a few minutes. And lastly, we press the cancel button. And we're done. Just place the shredded chicken on a bed of rice upon serving. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next. Bye!